Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning, dynamite service with explosive results. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of a house wash that we're doing today. We're also going to be cleaning the driveway with our surface cleaner. And I want to show you what the soffits look like, and I want to show you the conditions of the gutter line and just what we're going to be doing. I just returned from a 2020 Power Wash Store vendor showcase, and we picked up some new, so I'll show you right here. There's some fantastic, they're called Tiger Grip. And it's a special type of nitrile glove. I'll let you see those really quick. They have little nubblies on them, and they're fantastic. I also picked up some of this here, which is, it's called Enviro Bio Cleaner. It's an industrial strength degreaser. This stuff is fantastic. So we've got all kinds of solutions on board. We're ready to shoot, and we're gonna start off this morning. We normally work from top to bottom, and then usually one of the last things we do is the driveway. This morning, I'm gonna do the driveway first. And the reason being is because I'm gonna turn around and let you see, if you can see the wind in the trees, we have about a sustained wind of about 12 to 15 miles an hour. And as you guys know, and I'm gonna shut my barn door here. I got my barn door open. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that really quick. So if you guys will bear with me. As you guys know, when you're shooting anything greater than 20 feet, you begin to not lose pressure, but lose the direction and control of your spray. So in lieu of having to work off of a ladder, which I will be doing, I'm going to be setting up a 26-foot ladder and then another 16-foot ladder so that we can reach all the soffits all the way around. It's a 2-story home, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. But I wanted to show you guys with the X-Jet, which is this chemical pail right here. Okay, it's a 5-gallon chemical pail, attaches about 30 feet of hose. Now with that, what I can do is my batch ratio mix is going to be different for the concrete versus the house wash versus the soffits and gutter line. So that allows me to mix properly per surface, which is really an asset. And I am what's called an X-Jet Pro. That's what I use. I don't downstream inject. And I don't pull straight off of a soft washing system. I have the ability to regulate my pressure so I can soft wash when I'm up on a roof, so I'm not destroying the integrity of an asphalt shingle. And I also have the ability to rinse with pressure, which is just a fantastic thing. The only drawback is you do have to mix every 5 gallons. So as soon as you run out, you're back to mixing again. So there are pros and cons for everything, but this works best for me and my application. I'm gonna take you on a quick walk. We're already 3 minutes into the video. I want you guys to take a look at what this driveway looks like as we walk up. You can see the mildew that has set up on this driveway, the black. And then, so we're gonna be shooting all of this first. You can see the heavier areas in here. All right, so that's the driveway. And this will be the house. You can see the gutters, really dirty. And if you look really closely, you can see the condition that those soffits are in. They're so bad that the holes, which are the lungs of your home, are actually clogged. So you can see up here, and I can reach all this from the ground. Now with a strong wind, I cannot. So that's the side of the house. We're gonna go ahead and walk you around here, and I'll show you what this walkway looks like here. So all this will be just really, really pretty. And I'll shoot an after video when I'm finished. You guys can just see the condition that this is in. Now this is slippery here, so that actually could be a falling hazard. And this will be the house here. So we'll be getting the windows, and you can see that there's some wasp nests. There's a mud dauber nest and another nest there. But look at those soffits, especially these up here. Can you guys see that? Those holes are literally, you can't even see any holes. So that's the condition that those are in. Okay, so we're gonna do a color fast test to make sure the paint is able to withstand a relatively hot mix. If it's not, we'll back our mix off. And that way we do no damage. Fortunately, there's not a lot of plants, but if you guys can see up here, you can see the gutter line, how dirty that is, and you can see the soffits, how dirty those are. So once we get up on the roof, we're gonna make sure that all of their gutter tracks are clean, and we're gonna make sure that the downspouts are flowing properly. I guess this, I'm thinking this job will take about 5 to 7 hours. All of this will be getting cleaned. This whole area here, inside of here. And as you can see, how dirty that is there. This whole area here. So quite a bit of work to be done. This whole area here will be getting cleaned. Okay. This patio furniture here. Fortunately, they have taken all of the padding off and plants inside. So these are good homeowners, very good homeowners. They made my work easy for me. You can see the screens are dirty. You can see the mold and the mildew that's built up there. This is a second roof up here. We have a flat roof here. And then you can just see the mold along here. So we'll be putting up a small ladder here with another ladder up there to make sure that all those are free and clear. And that's why we carry 2 ladders on the truck. And this will wrap up the house. Guys, thank you so much for coming out with me today and checking out the work. This is a before video. You can just see how bad these gutters are. Okay. And you can see the condition that the driveway is in, especially over here and over by the AC unit itself. All right. So thank you so much for coming out with me today. Look forward to the after video. I'll try to make it a lot less short, but that is what the house looks like prior to cleaning. If you have any questions or concerns, you'd like to get on our calendar, scheduled to have an estimate done, feel free to reach out, 386-453-4213. My name is Trevor Thompson. I am an owner-operated pressure cleaning business. We clean all of your exterior needs, hardscape surfaces, from soft washing to high pressure. We have surface cleaners that allow us to clean travertine and all types of different surfaces that you may have. So let us know. We have a Facebook business page as well as a Google business page. So please feel free to log on to those and check out some before and after videos, testimonials, and reviews, that type of thing. And we believe in continual education. And I want to thank everyone for coming out with me. This will be our house wash today. We'll be here about 5 to 7 hours. We're going to go ahead and get started. Hopefully this wind will die down around noon. That's kind of what the Weather Channel on the app on my phone is telling me. And so have a great day, everyone. Keep cleaning. Thank you very much. TNT Pressure Cleaning, dynamite service with explosive results. 386-453-4213.